If you want to know how to get the quickest, silkiest blowout ever, just keep on watching. Hey guys, it's your girl Mia Ashanti, and you already clicked the video, so you already know I'm doing a blowout routine with my Revair. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I wash my hair with the Tea Tree Stimulating Shampoo and Conditioner set from my hair care line, Main Nutrients. All the products that I use in this video will be linked down in the description, so you don't even have to worry about asking me. So when I use my Revair, I like to work in small sections. It just makes the blow drying process go faster. I am twisting my hair with no product right now. Later on, I'm going to go in with product. But right now, we're just doing sections. I did about 5 sections on each side of my head, which is 10. And later on, you'll see me kind of breaking these sections down in half just to make sure I get that good blowout. Now that I have all of my sections, I'm going to separate the top part of my hair so we can work on the bottom. My hair dries pretty fast, so I am going to go in with some water to this section. And then I'm going to go in with the Tea Tree Hydration Mist. This is also from my hair care line. Just a couple pumps to help with the detangling. And then I went in with a couple pumps of the Mega Silk Olive Heat Protectant Spray. You do want to make sure your hair is detangled very well before putting it in the Revair, because it's just going to pull it straight. And if your hair is not detangled, it's just going to be matted up real bad. So please make sure you detangle it. Alright y'all, so this is the part that y'all been waiting for. I'm finally putting my hair in the Revair, and I'm not going to speed this part up because I want you guys to actually see the full process, how long it takes. Just because a lot of people think that we're lying about the Revair technology. So this is a full clip, no cuts, no speed ups, none of that. So just watch and see.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took me down for.
There are 3 heat settings to this Revair. You can see the buttons right where my hand is. I just checked to make sure it was still on high. But it's 1, 0, and 2. I like to blow dry my hair on 2. The 0 is just a cool shot. It's really just air sucking. The first one is just warm air, and then the second one is hot air. I like to use hot because it just gives me the best blowout. If you aren't looking for, a bone silky straight blowout, you can definitely do the first one. Or if you're just looking to stretch your hair, the cool shot would be a good touch. Someone in my comments was downplaying the Revair and saying how it takes 30 seconds and then just doesn't make sense. But I really never said that it takes 30 seconds. My videos are kind of short on Instagram, of course, because of time restraints. So I only show the blow drying and the pulling part. So that's why there's a lot of misconceptions. So I definitely want to make this video so you can see the full effect. So I am coming up on the 2-minute mark, and I separated my section to just make sure I'm getting it actually straight. Those big sections sometimes don't get dry all the way, so you do want to make sure you are getting all the hair. I kind of have experience with my Revair, so I'm fine with doing like 5 sections of my hair on each side. But based on your thickness, you might want to do smaller sections or even bigger sections if you have a more fine texture.
Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Can a blow breeze from the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rockin' a sleeveless. Ease out, ease out.
This is the final pull of this section. It took about 3 minutes, but I do want you to keep in mind that I did have on the wrong settings when I began that section. So it typically takes me about 2 to 3 minutes for each section. For the upcoming sections, they will be kind of chopped up. I only wanted to show the full process for that first clip, but stay tuned to see the final results.
Personally, I'm surprised you bought me after the things I said. Skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like me. 'Cause you're more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry over spilled milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another vow, give me another hour or two. I will too. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you do better than you do. Got me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekends. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure. We do whatever we want. Whatever we want, love whatever we want, it don't matter. We do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need. It's about love, 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 love. Long as we got love, love, love. Long as we got.
This right here is my final section, so you are about to see the final result. So when you use your Revair for the first time, you'll see that your hair is a little crinkly after you take it out. That doesn't mean that your hair is wet. It just happens because the Revair isn't able to comb through your hair while blow drying. So just brush it out real good and then your results will look a little like this. I love using a Revair because it just makes the blow drying time so much easier and faster. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.